Number 4 is Epson SureColor P900 printer. Printing high-quality sublimation images just got even better with the Epson SureColor P900 17-inch printer. This impressive printer boasts an all-new UltraChrome PRO10 Ink with violet, producing vibrant colors with an outstandingly wide color gamut. Plus, with dedicated nozzles for both photo and matte black ink, there's no need for tedious switching between ink types. The printer's new 10-channel MicroPiezo AMC printhead delivers prints with incredible speed, accuracy, and consistency, while the carbon black driver technology ensures the best black density on glossy papers. And with the easy-to-use interface, you can print color-managed files directly from your iOS device. The Epson SureColor P900 can handle various media types, accommodating rolls and sheet media up to 1.5 mm thick of Epson Professional, signature-worthy, legacy papers, and third-party media. With professional media handling, you'll achieve remarkable results every time. Its customizable 4.3-inch touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and interior LED light make it incredibly user-friendly. Not only is this printer compact and 23% smaller than its predecessor, but it also features industry-leading print permanence. If you want this printer right now, check out the link given in the description box below.